Imagine building a retirement fund that's completely tax-free, not just for contributions, but for all your growth too. Think about that for a second. Stop letting taxes erode your future wealth. The Roth IRA is your powerful answer. Today, we're diving deep into why this account is an absolute game changer for working adults like you, looking to build serious, tax-free wealth and secure true retirement freedom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're 25 to 40, working hard, and tired of feeling like you're just treading water financially, you're in the right place. We talk about saving more, investing smarter, and truly breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And today, we're uncovering one of the most powerful tools in your financial arsenal, the Roth IRA. It's not just another retirement account. It's a strategic move to build wealth that the IRS can never touch. Let's break down its magic. First up, let's talk about the unparalleled power of tax-free growth. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that you've already paid taxes on, often called after-tax dollars. Now, here's where the magic truly happens. Once that money is in your Roth IRA, every single dollar of growth, every bit of interest, every investment gain, grows completely tax-free. And when you make qualified withdrawals in retirement, all of it, every single penny, comes out tax-free. Compare that to a traditional 401k or IRA, where you defer taxes now, but you pay taxes on everything, contributions and growth, in retirement. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you consistently contribute to your Roth IRA for 30 years. At an average 8% annual return, a modest $6,500 contribution each year could grow to over $700,000. In a traditional account, that $700,000 would be fully taxable upon withdrawal. In a Roth IRA, zero taxes. Imagine the difference that makes in your golden years. This isn't just a tax deferral, it's a tax elimination on your gains. This compounding effect, completely free from future taxes, is truly staggering. It's like having a secret money tree in your garden that the taxman doesn't know about. Next, let's explore the unmatched flexibility of the Roth IRA. One of the most comforting features, especially for those in their prime working years, is its incredible flexibility. You can withdraw your original contributions at any time, for any reason, completely tax-free and penalty-free. Now, I'm not saying you should use your retirement fund as an emergency savings account. Far from it. But knowing that the money you put in is accessible in a true financial crisis, without penalties, provides an unparalleled safety net. This can be a huge relief, especially for those building up a robust emergency fund. It gives you peace of mind that a traditional 401k or IRA simply doesn't offer. Once you're age 59 and a half, and the account has been open for at least 5 years, all your earnings and contributions can be withdrawn completely tax-free. Think about that. A comfortable retirement where every dollar you take out is truly yours. No nasty tax surprises. There's also a special provision for first-time homebuyers, allowing you to withdraw up to $10,000 of your earnings penalty-free for a down payment. While not ideal for retirement savings, it shows the versatility of the Roth IRA as a powerful financial tool. So, is a Roth IRA right for you? If you're in your 20s or 30s, the Roth IRA is arguably the most powerful account you can open. You have decades for your money to grow tax-free. Plus, most working adults in this age range are likely in a lower tax bracket now than they will be in their peak earning years or retirement. By paying taxes on your contributions today, you're essentially locking in a lower tax rate on potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in future gains. If you expect your income to grow significantly over your career, a Roth IRA makes even more sense. You're paying taxes now while your income is lower to avoid potentially much higher taxes later. Even if your income is too high to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, strategies like the backdoor Roth exist, allowing higher earners to still tap into this incredible benefit. It's a bit more advanced, but it shows just how valuable this account is across various income levels. Getting started with a Roth IRA is surprisingly simple. You can open an account with most major online brokerages like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. It takes about 15 minutes. Set up automatic contributions, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month to start. Then, choose your investments. Diversified index funds or ETFs are usually a great choice for long-term growth. Remember to check the annual contribution limits and income eligibility rules, as these can change year to year. So, there you have it. The Roth IRA isn't just a retirement account. It's a foundational pillar for building true, tax-free wealth and securing your financial future. It offers unmatched tax-free growth, incredible flexibility, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your money is truly yours, free from future tax burdens. Don't let another year go by watching taxes eat away at your hard-earned money. Take control. Start your Roth IRA today. If this video helped you understand the power of the Roth IRA, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical personal finance advice. And let me know in the comments, do you have a Roth IRA? What's your favorite benefit? I love hearing from you all.